Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we have an exciting topic to discuss: freelancer licenses in Abu Dhabi. If you're considering freelancing, this license might just be the perfect solution. In this video, we'll explore why choosing the freelance license in Abu Dhabi can be a game changer for your professional journey to set you on the path to financial freedom. So let's dive in. Before we get into the license details, let's quickly talk about the benefits of obtaining a freelance license in Abu Dhabi. Firstly, flexibility. As a freelancer, you have the freedom to choose your working hours and projects, allowing you to maintain a healthy work-life balance. Imagine working from some of Abu Dhabi's beautiful cafes, inspiring co-working spaces, or even from the comfort of your own home. Abu Dhabi offers a variety of work environments that cater to different preferences and work styles. But it's not just about the flexibility. Abu Dhabi provides an ideal environment for freelancers to thrive and grow their businesses. With a strong and diverse economy, which grew at a staggering 9.3% in 2022, there are ample opportunities to tap into a growing market and connect with potential clients. But don't just take our word for it. Let's hear from a successful freelancer who chose Abu Dhabi's freelancer license. Robin Albers is a corporate communication consultant who set up her own business called ClearSpeak GCC. Her LinkedIn post sharing the news of her trade license effectively describes the dynamics of the Abu Dhabi business community. You can pause this video to have a quick read. Now that we've explored the advantages of freelancing in Abu Dhabi, let's dive into the requirements. To operate legally as a freelancer in Abu Dhabi, obtaining a freelance license is essential. At the time of recording this video, we recommend the freelancer license issued by Abu Dhabi's Department of Economic Development, which is also known as the DED. This mainland license grants you the permission to work throughout the Emirate of Abu Dhabi, including the opportunity to collaborate with esteemed government and semi-government organisations such as ADNOC and Mubadala. The best part? You don't need a local sponsor. With this license, you can have the peace of mind of owning it 100%. While the scope of activities as a freelancer may have some limitations, there is a wide range of consulting options available. These options are perfect for those seeking an escape from the corporate 9-to-5 routine, allowing you to unlock your full potential and take charge of your own destiny. Additionally, the cost effectiveness of starting up as a freelancer is noteworthy, since you only need to pay for the license, which is renewable annually. No requirement for leasing office space means a more affordable and flexible startup process. An important aspect to consider is that this license type also enables you to apply for a residence visa. Once your visa is successfully issued, you even have the opportunity to sponsor your family members, ensuring a secure and comfortable life for your loved ones. If you're intrigued by the possibilities this license offers, let's outline who it is suitable for. You need to be a skilled individual with an attested degree certificate relevant to the chosen activity for your license. If this describes you, then this license is ideal whether you want to become a full-time freelancer or establish a side hustle. Yes, you can even remain in full-time employment while acquiring the freelancer license to test the market or build up a steady monthly income before taking that leap to quit your job. Need expert support for your freelancer license? Look no further than Gateway Group. With our friendly team in Abu Dhabi, we bring extensive experience in launching ventures. Say goodbye to compliance hassles, as our seamless services empower you to focus on your skills and business growth. Let us handle compliance while you excel. Scan the QR code on screen to WhatsApp us now. So that wraps up our guide to freelance licenses in Abu Dhabi. We hope this video has given you valuable insights into the opportunities of freelancing here and why it can be a fantastic decision for you. From flexible working hours, a thriving market, and attractive business community, the opportunities here are endless. If you have any questions or want to share your experiences, feel free to leave a comment and let's get the conversation started. If this video has been useful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more content like this. Until the next time, happy freelancing!